Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a WordPress website on Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. Here you will see a list of any available websites if you have ones. And to add a WordPress website to Hostinger, simply click on Add Website button. Here select WordPress. By the way, you can also select custom PHP/HTML website in order to create an empty or to add an empty website. Then install hosting and then install WordPress later. But for this video, I will go directly with the WordPress choice. Here, select your WordPress website language from this very long list. I will keep it English. Fill in the administrator email or the WordPress username here, and also the password. You should remember those two information because you will need them in order to log into your WordPress dashboard. After that, click on Next. Here you can select or you can create your website. Yes, you can create your WordPress website using AI, using pre-built websites and themes, or create a fresh blank WordPress site. For this video, I will go with create a blank site. Here, fill in your domain or the subdomain that you want to use or connect with this website or with this WordPress website. In my case, I will go with a subdomain which is wordpress.benstutorial.com. Do you own this domain? Yes, click on use it. Now, by the way, you can still, if you don't have a domain name, you can still use a temporary domain for free from Hostinger, which will be something like your website.hostinger.com or something similar to this. Now click on install WordPress and wait a moment. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use LiteSpeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger Horizons, just join dotcom.builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. And after creating your WordPress website, you will directly be logged to your WordPress website. As you see here, they automatically used, or my website directly started using my domain or subdomain. In my case, it's a subdomain. By the way, either using a subdomain or a domain, it's the same thing. It's pretty much similar. So here, Hostinger didn't ask me to go to where my domain name, which is benstutorial.com, is registered, and tell them that my website resides on Hostinger. Why? Because I've already did this step. In your case, what you should do is to go back or not go back to WordPress to Hostinger. By the way, I will go back to the HPanel. To visit Hostinger HPanel, simply type hpanel.hostinger.com. Then go to websites. And as you see, my websites list now started including my WordPress website. Here, if your domain name does not point to Hostinger name servers or does not use Hostinger name servers, first thing you will notice is that you can't access your WordPress website using your domain. This is the first sign. And if you click on dashboard, you will see here a red notice telling you that you still need to connect your domain to a hosting. What you should do here is to go where your domain name is registered, and let's say, for example, I have my domain registered on GoDaddy. You should sign in to your GoDaddy account, then go to the domains page, and just around your domain or next to your domain or below your domain, look for something called NS, which stands for name server. And here, and when you arrive to this name servers page, edit the ones you are using. Usually they have default name servers. For example, if for GoDaddy you will see something like ns.domainstools or godaddy.com, ns2.godaddy.com. Remove those two name servers and use the official name servers from Hostinger. Where you can see them, just go to the hosting plan and click on plan details, and here you will see the domain or the name servers that you should give to your domain to your domain provider to let them know that you are using Hostinger, and this way you will connect your domain name with your web hosting. And don't forget that when you do this name server update, always, sometimes it takes just minutes, 10 minutes for example, and sometimes it can take up to 24 or 48 hours. So here, be patient. Try to access your website from different devices, from different internet providers, and you will succeed at connecting your domain name to your new WordPress website. And that's all for this video. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.